The Supreme Court on Friday directed the trial court in UP Sambhal to halt proceedings in the mosque survey case until Jama Masjid Mosque Committee approaches the Allahabad High Court. This order came after the mosque committee challenged a district court's decision to conduct a survey of the mosque, following claims that it was built by Mughal Emperor Babur in 1526 after demolishing a pre-existing temple. The bench headed by Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna ordered mosque committee to move the High Court, and the High Court was further ordered to list the case within 3 working days.
देखिए, आज इस विवाद को लेकर ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो वहाँ की मॉस्क कमेटी वो पहुंची थी। ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनको कहा है कि आप इस मामले को लेके इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट अप्रोच करिए और जो भी आपको रेमेडी अंडर लॉ है आप उसको अवेल करिए। साथ ही साथ ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि अगर 3 दिन के अंदर आप याचिका दायर करते हैं, जब भी याचिका दायर करते हैं तो 3 दिन के अंदर लिस्ट हो, तब तक लिए ट्रायल कोर्ट की प्रोसीडिंग रुकी रहेगी और एडवोकेट कमिश्नर महोदय अपनी रिपोर्ट सील कवर में दाखिल करें। वैसे ही केस 8 जनवरी को लगा है और उससे पहले हाईकोर्ट अप्रोच करने के लिए कहा गया है, तो उससे पहले ही हाईकोर्ट पहुंच जाएगा मामला और हाईकोर्ट निर्धारित करेगा कि ट्रायल की प्रोसीडिंग स्टे होनी कि नहीं होनी।
The Supreme Court, however, kept the mosque committee's plea pending and ordered it to be listed in the week starting January 6, 2025. The Apex Court directed that the report of the commissioner who conducted the survey of the mosque should be kept in a sealed cover and should not be opened in the meantime. The bench also asked the trial court to not take any steps till January 8 while asking the district administration to ensure peace and harmony. Meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh government has ordered a judicial inquiry into the case of stone pelting and violence during Shahi Jama Masjid survey, which resulted in at least 4 deaths.
Today the matter was listed before the Honorable Supreme Court pertaining to the Sambhal issue. The concerned mosque committee had approached the Honorable Supreme Court challenging the order of Civil Judge Senior Division directly in the Supreme Court by way of an SLP under Article 136. The Honorable Supreme Court, after hearing both the sides, has passed an order directing the Masjid Committee to approach the High Court and challenge the order of the Civil Judge Senior Division before the High Court. The Honorable Supreme Court has also directed the Advocate Commissioner to file his report in sealed cover. The Honorable Supreme Court has also expressed concerns with regard to peace and harmony to be maintained in the region. The court has said that we are expressing no opinion on the merits of the case. It is recorded in the order that we are not expressing any opinion on the merits of the case. You have the liberty to challenge this order before the High Court, and court has asked them to challenge this order before the High Court, and if the same is filed, it should be listed before the High Court within 3 working days. No trial court proceedings are stayed as of now till the time matter is filed before the High Court, and the moment the matter is filed before the High Court will decide as to how the proceedings before the trial court will go on.